Hi everyone, welcome to Deca Bella Cooks. Today we are going to do um, uh, uh, unboxing video about the magic bullet. I got the magic bullet on sale at Target the other day. I normally use the Ninja blender, so that's the one we normally use. It's huge, so I thought I should get like a smaller blender, but I thought this was a good buy, the magic bullet. On the cover it says you can do smoothies, sauces, desserts, cocktail, and you can also do a whipping cream. It says that on the other side of the package. So we are going to do unbox it, and then also we are going to do a smoothie on it. We're going to blend the smoothie and see how it does with It's delicious. I love it. You guys, this is worth it. Buy it, buy it, buy it. I approve this. Bless you. Bless you, Mama. This is the best machine, you guys. I really love it. It was worth it for $49. I don't know if it was 40. It was worth it for $49. It's amazing. I got it from Target. If you guys see it in Target, please grab this. This is a good buy. I love this machine. It's awesome. I cannot wait to make some baby foods in it. I cannot wait to make my own smoothies in the morning with this blender. It's awesome. I give it an A. Whoever made it, get an A from me. Magic Bullet, get an A from me. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you. Peace.